Hello everyone and welcome back to another video and another review. So today we are taking a look at the Stage Link Free Wireless CarPlay adapter, a compact yet powerful device that transforms your wired Apple CarPlay into a seamless wireless experience. Before we get started, I want to mention that this adapter was provided to us by the brand Stage Sound in exchange for a review, and while I do appreciate their support to my channel, this will not affect my honest thoughts whatsoever about the specific product. My review will remain 100% unbiased and genuine as always, so feel free to stick around as we explore everything that this wireless CarPlay adapter has to offer. The Stage Link Free CarPlay adapter is designed to eliminate the hassle of plugging in your iPhone every time you get in the car. Equipped with 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.2 dual channels, it ensures a fast and stable connection. And one thing that you may have noticed is the design of this amazing device, as it looks like a USB stick. It is super small and really compact, and you won't even notice it in your car, which is really something that I love the most about this device. The initial setup takes less than a minute, and once paired, it automatically reconnects within 3 seconds every time you start the car. There is no waiting, no delay, making navigation, audio streaming, calls, and Siri activation smoother than ever. And one of the standout aspects of this adapter is its broad compatibility. It works with over 800 car models that comes with wired Apple CarPlay, supporting iPhone 6 and newer models running iOS 10 and above. Unlike many third-party adapters, the Stage Link Free is MFI 3959 certified, ensuring a low latency, high stability wireless connection and full compatibility with the latest car system. So whether you are using an older iPhone or the latest model, the connection remains seamless and reliable. Setting up is incredibly simple as mentioned. Just plug the adapter into your car's USB or USB-C port, enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on your phone, and pair it. Just that simple. And within seconds, CarPlay activates wirelessly, and once configured, the adapter remembers your device and connects automatically every time you start the car. It also preserves all original car controls, meaning buttons, knobs, and touchscreen functions work just as they would with wired CarPlay. Durability, of course, is another key feature. The adapter has been rigorously tested, withstanding 10,000 plug-in cycles and performing reliably in extreme temperatures ranging from -20 all the way to 50 degrees. So whether you are driving on bumpy roads, through heavy rain, or in snowy conditions, it maintains consistent performance without dropouts or lag. Its enhanced heat dissipation system prevents overheating, ensuring long-term durability. And to keep your device optimized, the CarPlay supports OTA remote updates, allowing you to download and install firmware upgrades online. This means your adapter remains up to date with the latest software improvements, enhancing performance, security, and compatibility over time. So that's pretty much everything I have for you today. If you are looking for a plug-and-play solution to make Apple CarPlay wireless, the Stage Link Free Wireless CarPlay adapter is definitely worth considering. It is fast, reliable, and easy to use, making your in-car experience more convenient. Thank you for watching, and I hope this review helped you decide whether it's the best wireless CarPlay adapter for you. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any future videos, and I will also leave a link in the description for your convenience if you want to get yours and take advantage of all its great features. Also, if you have any questions or comments related to this specific product, feel free to drop them down below in the comments section. See you in the next one. Peace.